Introducing the Orion XEQ-X70BTM, a 7-band marine-grade graphic equalizer with Bluetooth, designed to deliver precise sound control and total durability in the most demanding environments. With 7 adjustable bands, 50 Hz, 125 Hz, 315 Hz, 750 Hz, 2.2 kHz, 6 kHz, and 16 kHz, the XEQ-X70BTM lets you shape your sound exactly the way you want. With a range of plus or minus 12 decibels per band, its integrated Bluetooth connectivity allows you to stream music wirelessly from your phone, reducing cables and keeping your setup clean and modern. It features independent controls for master volume, subwoofer level, and front-rear fader, along with RCA inputs and a front panel 3.5mm auxiliary input for maximum compatibility. Each knob is elegantly backlit with white LED lighting, enhancing visibility in low-light conditions and adding a sleek, high-end look to your audio system. Inside, a high-performance circuit delivers an extended frequency response from 8 Hz to 140 kHz, with just 0.01% total harmonic distortion and a maximum output of 8 volts, ensuring clean and detailed audio. With 3 stereo RCA outputs for front, rear, and subwoofer amplifiers and high-level inputs, this equalizer integrates easily with both aftermarket and OEM systems. Its compact, IPX5 rated water-resistant design makes it the perfect choice for boats, jet skis, and recreational vehicles, ready to withstand splashes, humidity, and harsh outdoor conditions. With gold-plated RCA connectors and true marine-grade construction, the XEQ-X70BTM delivers sound quality, protection, premium aesthetics, and total control all in one unit. Orion XEQ-X70BTM, marine precision, modern connectivity, limitless power. Orion high-performance car audio.